This is shell and tube heat exchanger. As per ASME, this is U-tube heat exchanger, and as per TEMA standard, this is type BU heat exchanger. You can see the names of different parts of heat exchanger mentioned on this video. Inside the shell you can see U-tubes of 4 different radius bundled with 5 number baffles with help of tie rods in it. Bonner cover shows a partition plate for tube flow to have to pass. This exchanger has 1 shell side fluid pass and 2 passes for tube side flow. Tube side cold fluid enters from top side in bonnet and shell side hot fluid enters from bottom side of shell. Shell side hot fluid flows inside shell across horizontal segmental baffle and moves out from top side of shell. Tube side cold fluid goes inside tubes and return back to header through U-tubes. In the animation displayed in the video, you'll observe the flow of hot fluid entering from the bottom right of the shell side. It travels through 5 segmental baffles one after other, gradually losing temperature along the way. Finally, it exits from the top left of the shell. As we focus on the tube side bonnet, notice the steady flow of cold fluid entering from the upper section, demarcated by a central partition plate, making its way towards the tube sheet. Journeying through the network of tubes from left to right, it undergoes a crucial turn within the U-shaped tubes, gradually gaining temperature as it progresses. Ultimately, it completes its cycle by exiting from the lower end of the tube side bonnet. In this particular U-tube heat exchanger, the fluid flow dynamics are intriguing. Unlike traditional heat exchangers, this design incorporates a single pass on the shell side, meaning the fluid travels through the shell just once. However, on the tube side, the story is different. Due to the U-tube construction, the fluid makes 2 passes within the tubes. Let's break it down further. As the cold fluid enters the tube side bonnet, it embarks on its first journey through the tubes, traversing from left to right. Then, it takes a critical U-turn within the U-shaped tubes, initiating its second pass. Along this path, the fluid undergoes gradual temperature elevation, absorbing heat from the process fluid on the shell side. This unique configuration has earned it the moniker 1-2 type heat exchanger, symbolizing the single pass on the shell side and the dual passes on the tube side. As we dissect the U-tube heat exchanger in our animated demonstration, we'll bifurcate the heat transfer processes occurring on the tube side and the shell side. By pulling out the tubes and isolating the shell, we can observe the intricate mechanisms at play. Let's delve deeper into the intricate dynamics of the U-tube heat exchanger through our detailed visualization. In this animated representation, we'll explore the temperature variations on both the shell side and the tube side, providing a comprehensive understanding of the heat transfer processes at play. Visualize the temperature bar chart displayed, where colors signify different temperature ranges, ranging from blue representing 20 degrees Celsius to red indicating 100 degrees Celsius. On the shell side, the fluid enters at a scorching 100 degrees Celsius, depicted in vivid red, as it embarks on its journey through the baffles. Along this path, it gradually loses heat, cooling down to approximately 15 degrees Celsius, transitioning from red to orange hues before exiting the shell at a still warm 85 degrees Celsius. Now, shifting our focus to the tube side, we observe the fluid entering at a cool 20 degrees Celsius, depicted in calming blue tones. As it courses through the tubes, it undergoes a remarkable transformation, absorbing heat from the shell side fluid. By the time it exits, its temperature has increased to a toasty 55 degrees Celsius, portrayed in vibrant yellow on the temperature chart. This synchronized exchange of heat between the shell side and the tube side exemplifies the efficiency of the U-tube heat exchanger design. By maximizing surface area contact and optimizing flow paths, this engineering marvel facilitates robust thermal exchange in various industrial applications. Through this detailed visualization, we gain valuable insights into the nuanced mechanisms driving heat transfer within the U-tube heat exchanger. From the initial temperature differentials to the gradual color transitions, every aspect underscores the precision and effectiveness of this essential equipment.